Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make egg pasta. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, a clean work surface, and a fork. For shaping, a pasta machine or a rolling pin is essential. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you create perfect pasta every time. Let's get started. Now, let's mix our dough. First, make a well in the center of your flour pile. Crack the 2 eggs directly into this well. Using a fork, gently whisk the eggs, gradually pulling in flour from the sides until a shaggy dough forms. Then, it's time to knead. Spend 10 to 15 minutes kneading the dough vigorously. This develops the gluten, making your pasta wonderfully smooth and elastic, ready for the next step. After kneading, the dough needs to rest. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and let it sit at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making the dough much easier to roll. Once rested, divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Take 1 portion and begin rolling it through your pasta machine, starting at the widest setting and gradually moving to thinner settings until you reach your desired thickness. Repeat for all portions. Finally, it's time to cut and cook your beautiful fresh pasta. Once your sheets are rolled, use your pasta machine's cutter or a sharp knife to create your favorite noodle shape, like fettuccine or tagliatelle. Lightly dust the cut pasta with flour to prevent it from sticking together. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add your fresh pasta and cook for only 2 to 4 minutes, as fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.